Hi everyone, so today we'll be unboxing accessories I got for my iPhone 11. Okay, so we're gonna start with the Baseus charging brick because I got the iPhone 11 in the 2020 packaging, which apparently does not include a charging brick on the box, which is unfortunate, but here you can see the product. Okay, paper works. And it comes with this tiny body which can fit at most places where you throw your charger in, like your bag. And it also comes with a USB Type-C port to accommodate the charging cable that comes from your iPhone's box. Okay, so for the next one, I think I haven't actually unboxed my phone in this video because this phone came in like a week before the accessories did, and it's the same thing that you have found probably in YouTube. It doesn't come with anything, just a phone and the charging cable and some paperwork. Okay, so for the first accessories after the charger, I got some nice cases from Shopee. This one is the UAG silicone cases. I got the orange one before the green and the blue ones because I thought they're not as good, but when I got the orange one, I ordered these two next because I really like the quality. As you can see, it's nice. It has the textured back and it's clean on the sides. That's the same with the blue one, of course. It has this very smooth finish on the back. I think it's really nice if you want to play with your phone and how it looks and you want it to match exact outfits. But I'm really rooting for the orange one. I think that's my favorite among these three. So let me know what you guys think and what color you like among these three. And I have a few more cases coming up, so stay tuned until the end of the video. So this video is filmed at different times because the deliveries arrived at different days and I couldn't wait for them all together so that I can box them at the same time. I can't do that. So for this one I got some new cases, but it's not just for my iPhone 11. I bought one for my sister and my other phone, which is the Oppo. So in this box is, I think, the screen protector I ordered as well. I got a few extras, so in case I have to replace, I have a few already in me and I don't have to order again and another shipping and another, just efficiency things. Okay, so here's the screen protector, which I will not be putting today because my phone already has it. I also bought a back film for my sister's phone, and also a camera lens protector. Now watch me struggle putting those circular things on my camera. So these are the other cases I bought. I decided to just also put them in so that you can see, but they're not for my phone. This one is. This one comes in this green, rubbery, cloudy finish. It's actually good. It's nice, it's soft, and it fits the phone very well. It actually resembles the current iPhone 12, which at some point this case will let you experience how those phones feel in the hand. Yeah, buttons are clicky, they're nice. Okay, so last batch of cases. Yay! For this one, I got a dark gray case and a clear one. They call it a space case. I saw it on YouTube as well. So let's first check this one. This is a counterfeit of the original Apple silicone case because that one cost so much. Okay, so yeah, peeling it off. So taking it out of the packet, it's nice. I actually didn't think it was this nice. It has the fabric inside of it to protect the phone, and it feels so soft, to be honest. Yeah, I really think it looks nice, especially this dark gray one. Matches the black color really well. So let's now check this space case. This is a clear one because I figured I haven't really bought a clear one to flaunt the back of the phone. The ones I saw on YouTube has this plastic thing where you can, a tab where you can pull it, but apparently this one's not, so I had to scratch the actual sticker on the case to be able to pull the sticker down, but it's fine. I think for this price, it's really solid. So for the links of these cases, I will link them down on the description box. putting it in. I think this case will look nice if you like to have an Instax picture in there, or you want to design it with stickers, or even just to match it with anything you can wear. This is the case for you. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you find this video interesting, and I hope you find some good cases. And you can check those links on the description box below and subscribe, and I hope you tune in for the next content. Thank you.